Well, hello. Welcome to my home. Welcome to another installment of What Can You Make with a Hot Plate? Tonight for dinner, I'm going to be doing a chicken stir fry with a side order of pot stickers. And in the stir fry, I'm going to be putting in some sprouts, some zucchini, and some broccoli. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm going to prepare is my pot stickers. Got my pan lightly coated with some vegetable oil. Get that nicely distributed around the pan so that the pot stickers won't stick to the pan. And I'm just going to put them bottom down onto my pot and just let them simmer for a bit, get them cooked so they're nicely golden brown on the one side. And once they're golden brown on the one side, I'm going to flip them over and do the same thing to the other sides. I'm going to do 6 of them here. Now, the tricky thing with these is to make sure you try and get the skin not to stick to the pan. And by putting the correct amount of oil, getting it nicely coated on the bottom, that should avoid any kind of tearing on the skin and should give you that nice brown texture on the bottom that you want to get. There's going to be no real special seasoning or sauce I'm going to add to this. Just going to use the I guess the essence of the oil to bring out the flavor in these pork cabbage dumplings. You can find these in your frozen food section of any grocery store. These dumplings can come vegetarian as well, but I'm not a vegetarian and I don't do that, so mine are going to be filled with pork and cabbage. Thing you can do to also speed up the cooking process, I'll add a little bit of water. Put the lid on to cover and let that set for a couple minutes. Let's check on these guys. They should be a little soft. You should be able to press them down. They shouldn't be obviously frozen rock hard. What you want to look for is the bottom and that how if there's a nice little brown layer on the bottom like this. Oops. That there. The golden brown color is what you want to get on the bottom of your pot stickers. When you got that, you want to flip them over and just give them a little fry on each side. Now, my favorite part to test if they're done. This guy. Should be piping hot on the inside, and the meat on the inside should be white, obviously not pink. So these guys are about done. So I'm just going to put these into a bowl off to the side. And as you can tell, I didn't put enough oil because some of the skin, I did lose some of the skin onto the bottom of the pan, but my pot stickers did not get deformed, so it's all good. Right, next step. Right, so the next step, we're going to cook the vegetables and meat for the stir fry. So we're going to re-oil up the pan. And get that nicely coated. Got some of my aromatics, throw in some garlic. And I'm just going to throw in the chicken. Soak up all that lovely garlic flavor and should smell amazing. So obviously when cooking chicken, you want to make sure all of it's white, no pink. You want to be giving yourself salmonella. Chicken usually fries really quickly on a hot plate. Sauce I'm going to use a little bit of that sacha sauce that I use in my ramen noodles. Use some of that oil and some of whatever this stuff is on the bottom. I'll give it a little spice. I'm just going to throw a dash of white pepper. I love white pepper. Stir fry a little more. And then you want to get your vegetables ready. Come off to the side, within reach, and then we're going to toss them in with the chicken. Add some water. I'm going to throw my vegetables. Give that a good stir. Also going to throw in my squid balls. Have them cook with the chicken as well. Just slice them up. If you ever wondered what they look like inside, just balls. I don't know what the material is that makes it stick together, but it looks like on the inside. Just pure white, to do pure white medallion. And then my favorite part to add is the oyster sauce. Don't be afraid to use like a lot of it. Whenever you're doing stir fry, it's kind of like important to have a sauce. So you find that when you're doing your stir fry, it's getting a bit dry. Don't be afraid to add some water and cover it and then just have it cook that way. That's what I'm going to be doing in just a moment here. I'm going to make sure I mix in all the sauce. All right. There you go. Next, add a cover. And let's get ready to plate. So as you can see, I've already started plating. I've got my rice, which I've cooked in my rice cooker. And I've got my pot stickers ready to go. Let's check on the main dish, the stir fry. There we go. It looks about done to me. Do another quick stir for good luck. Another one for good measure. Right, let's just serve it up. Of course, you want to check your chicken first before you before you plate it, which I forgot to do, but I'm pretty confident it's cooked. And it is. It's all white. Great. So the amount that I've cooked is definitely enough for one portion, which means I'll definitely have leftovers for tomorrow, which is great. No cooking for tomorrow. And there you have it. Fast, quick Asian meal using the hot plate. See you on the next one. Bye!
Emotional damage.
You want some